Yes, yes, blessed night, blessed night, as I say. As I'm going to read a word of prayer to start off this life tonight. I'm going to read a word of prayer to start off this life tonight. And it is like this, my people. Please remember Jamaica in your heart, okay? Always remember Jamaica, my people. And it's like this now, my people. Oh, my heavenly Father, oh, my God. As I am calling upon you at this present moment, my mighty, powerful God. My God of creator, my God of heaven, my God of the universe, my God with the world power, my only God, my only believing God, I am calling upon you. You see the trial and the tribulation that Jamaica have been in at this present moment, my Lord. I am asking you, please, oh my God, to open up a way for Jamaica in this present moment, oh my God. Please, oh my God, the people in the western part of Jamaica, they have been devastated. They have been so affected by the Hurricane Melissa, oh my God. So as we pray at this present moment, please, I'm asking you to touch everyone that are in charge, oh my God, and let they remember the people and feel the needs of the people and can help the people as quick as possible in thy mighty name as I pray. Amen. So let me happen, oh my God. Amen. Thank you. That is it, my people. It is a blessed night again. You see? One more night on it again. You see it? One more night on it again. Bless up and welcome. Bless up and welcome. Each and every one. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to have you, my people. Well, tonight again, my people, you don't know, it's all about the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. The affect Jamaica and how deeply concerned we are for what is really taking place now at this present time in Jamaica. We, oh my God, we call upon the Almighty God. Only He alone can help us now. We have put our prayer to the Almighty God. Jamaica, Jamaica, I'm calling upon you, oh my God. Please, every Jamaican, pray, pray. You need to be praying. Pray, pray, pray. It is time for us to be praying now. It is time for us to be praying now. In this time, please, oh my mighty God, we don't know. It is very hard and it is tough for the people then. And why we all goes out and we all are here to help in whatsoever way we can help our people, our Jamaican people. This is the time for us to show our love. This is the time for us to stretch our hand to someone that in need. This is the time for us to help our people that really need help. The Almighty God, as we call upon you at this time. Yeah, my people, so you don't know a thing set. Yeah? Jamaica Land 1965. Dep on it again. One more time again. You don't know. We ask Father God for all of the blessing and everything where we can get because I don't know. It's all about blessing at this time for we in Jamaica. And no joke about it, my people. No joke about it. No joke about it. It's all about the blessing we need at this time. Okay? So big up to all of my people. A special welcome to you all. Yeah, a very special welcome to you. Um, if you is a subscriber, a returning subscriber, thank you very much to continue watching my video and continue to be supportive to me. God bless you and thank you for your support. And if it's the first time you have joined this channel, please, you are all welcome. It's a pleasure to have you. God bless you and thank you for your time. Thank you very much. So big up on yourself, my people. Remember to send in your comments and keep it clean for me, my people. And so far, we are here And we just give thanks and praise to the Almighty God for everything. Yeah. And the first thing we want to talk about some issue that is taking place now in Jamaica. And these issue that is pertaining towards the assistance of the people that in need of help now in the western part of Jamaica. Well, there's a lots of help coming in from people from Kingston, from others parish, otherwise from the western side of Jamaica, which is trying to help their brothers and sisters by getting donors to donate to them, and there's travel done by the western part, and they assist by helping out their brothers and sisters. I really believe in that. I have this morning the toll, because when I was in St. Elizabeth, um, the Wednesday after Melissa, when I was in St. Elizabeth, and I realized that the toll is open. And I said, oh my God, this was so good, because my car was in a state of, no, I mean, I tried to reach back at town, so it was so good for the toll to be open. But now I get to understand that people still can, because people are in desperate situations. Same way. People are marooned. People are devastated. They don't have anywhere to sleep. People just don't have anything food to eat. People just don't have no water to drink. People don't have any clothes to change. People are devastated at this time. Okay? And you really believe that people is still trying to bring in support for these people, which is good. But I can't believe that the government, they have now closed the toll and start to collect again. Will you imagine that, my people? What a shock to the people who are trying to help these people in the western part of Jamaica. What can go so when you're trying to close the toll and try to collect now from the people that is trying to carry in the aid? All right, if you want to collect them, people who are carrying aid, then give them a free pass, let them go through, because them are carrying aid to people that need help. Oh my gosh, man. Trust me. Welcome again to you, my people. It's a blessing to have you. Thank you very much for joining my life. Thank you. Welcome to all of you, my people. I soon read the comments, my people, and giving a big shout out, my people. But I have to talk about this at this present moment. The toll that people using to cut the distance more faster, for reaching a St. Elizabeth, for reach a Westmoreland, for go a Montego Bay, for go a Shilani, for go. And me tell them say the government and them start collect from the toll. So what is this all about then? You do not want the people them to get help from outsiders, otherwise from the government. Because I feel like these people, the help that they are getting now is better than what the government is doing. No, I don't think the government is doing anything. It's come around now from the toll, it's come on to the generator. Imagine people donate generator to the government to give people that need it for help in their community. And you oh my, come on, man, what is going on? What is going on? We need to know what is going on. What is this all about, this generator? Isn't it for the people that need these, that running their business, that they can open up their business and start to support the community? These generators needed into people that selling them meat, into people that have their grocery shop, people that have no, help people, even them home, because a lot of generator come. So what is it all about? Why is it that the people not getting these generator? What is the qualification for the people to get generator? I didn't know that in a time like now, when it is disaster and you get things to give people, it's going to be qualification for you to get aid. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What is going on? What is really going on? Okay? My people, I'm just going to give a shout out to all of my very supportive people that is on the live now. So I'm going to give you all a big shout out, and by reading your comments and just adhere that you are here. Okay? To just show my respect to you, my people. Thank you for your support so far. Yeah. Um, Chatil, enough respect, enough respect. Welcome, welcome. Baby, badass, badass. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Enough respect to you, my friend. A pleasure to have you. Peace, a boy, lover. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining my life. Enough respect to you. Okay? Okay. Um, your family, okay. No, because they're cruel. Peace, a boy said no, because they are cruel. They are really cruel. They are really, really cruel. Yeah, man, no problem, my brother. Big up yourself, man. Enough respect. They are really cruel. How can you open, start to charge at the toll where the people that carry aid to the people that need the aid most of all? And you start to charge at the toll for you open the toll for the next 3 months because Jamaica now recover the next. I'm telling this, my people. I'm telling you this. I remember me I telling you this. Remember me I telling you this tonight. Remember that when Beryl lick Jamaica, the aid that Jamaica get for the people that get damaged in Jamaica at burial time didn't get no support. A lot of people didn't get no support whatsoever. And my people, I am telling you, if this is the way that is going on, Western Jamaica now fix up for now. Western Jamaica not going to fix up for now. All this is going on is politics. I'm telling you, my people. All this is going on is politics. All right, pizza boy. Big up yourself, big up yourself. And this is not time for politics. Pizza boy, yeah, man, it's a pleasure to have me on my life. Enough respect to you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, man, tomorrow again, yeah. Enough respect. You copy. You subscribe, pizza boy. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video, okay? Let me know if you subscribe. Enough respect to you and thank you for your support. All right? Yeah. Um, the people need support. So I feel more than less this is the time for everybody to join together. Everybody must join together. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my friend. Have a nice evening. Stay safe and well protected. Okay? Yeah, man. Big up yourself. All right? Wherever you're watching from, just big up yourself. All right? God bless you and your family. And I say, my people, that I just can't believe, say, I just can't believe, say, the toll, the people them have to start pay if you go through the toll now, if you go a country. The toll should have get over next 3 months because the recovery of this country now go really go on. And next year, 2 years from now, I can I bet remember I'm telling you, 2, 3 years from now, done the country now go fix up. Remember, I'm telling my people, I said the next, you see, all of them money where come to the country, to the government, to fix up but the western part of the island. Remember, I'm telling you, say, this I go work out in a politics. Remember, I'm telling the people, remember, I'm telling you, see, nothing now go on. I'm so sorry. True word, my people. But I sneeze. Remember, I'm telling you, nothing now go on. See, this thing I go wall out. If you say, boy, but I say no. Politics. 5 years from now is election. 2030 is election, okay? 2030, Jamaica, nah, western part of Jamaica, nah, fix up back. Remember me telling you that, my people. See, yeah, man. And I don't know, Me, as a Jamaican, we don't get affected, although my car mash up still. But we don't get affected by the hurricane, by damage my house and so forth, because we live in a Kingston. Yeah, we live in a Kingston. And can't tell you, say, why. We feel it for my brothers and sisters. I'm a Kingstonian. I don't have any family that don't buy the countryside. I'm a Kingstonian, a born Kingstonian. Most of my family is mostly in St. Andrew. Okay? I know my father have some part of country and come from, but I don't really know my people. I'm telling the truth. But some part done the country too. The Robbins them, some part done the country. That I really I can't tell the truth. I don't know. I don't remember his part. If I really remember his part, I go show myself to them. I'm no, let myself be known to them because them are Robinson. But I must say when I look boy one time, my father go there and him drop out too. So I never remember it. I'm telling the truth, I remember it. But otherwise some that my people, me feel it for the people in our country. And me intent for really support. As soon as me, you see, as soon as me get my car fixed up, trust my people. And you know what again, my people? I want to say a big shout out to the people them who so far have sent donation, send something towards me towards the Cebu to support my car. Okay? Like Barrington from the UK, I've sent 50 pound. Okay. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much. And um Mr. Huge, Mr. Huge, Mr. HUGEU, yeah, from the USA. I've sent 100 US. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. And also um it is my 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 lady Avi. Yeah. That's a shortening of her name, Avi. That's a shortening of her name, okay? She have also donated something to my car, okay? So far, I've chased somebody that really sent something towards helping me towards my car to buy back an engine. And I thank you so much for whatsoever you have sent. No matter how small it is, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I never give nobody nothing to put on. So whatsoever person can afford to send, to say boy help you buy if you buy back an engine, all me have to do, put them together and make them come to the amount that we want to spend and just buy an engine. That's all me have to do. Thank you very much for everything that you have been doing. God bless you and open a food basket with always have food. Okay? Bless you, thank you. That is it, my people. And anybody who really want to support and say, boy, want to help me towards my car, okay, you can get to me on my even my WhatsApp and let me know. Okay? I have a WhatsApp number 233 I repeat it, 233 That's my WhatsApp number. Anybody want to get to me on my WhatsApp can get to me and we can lay out whatsoever we can lay out towards helping me towards my engine at this present time. Okay? So it's a pleasure and thank you so much. Is it? Yeah, man. And the next thing again, my people. The next thing again, my people. Um, the aid, the aid. I don't know. I hear like the Prime Minister, and that's why the people who them gonna really give aid is people who have like when I say them have ID. I remember if I saw it. I don't know if anybody on the live can really let me know if that is the case. ID. I don't know if that is the case. But please, anybody on the live can let me know. Because I believe the Prime Minister make a speech, just like how him talk about the generator, he make a speech about the distributing of the food. Okay? And I say people have to have like them ID proof say them get damaged out. I don't know. I don't know my people. Trust me. I don't know. But at this present time, all I can say about my people that is trust me, it's a chaos. Trust me, it's a chaos. For real. Trust me. Jamaica need help. And I don't know if our leader really thinking about we as Jamaican. I don't know if they really feel the pain that we, the Jamaican people, have been going through at this time. I don't know. But as I call upon these leaders, Mr. Leaders, Jamaican people is suffering and they all need help. So I don't know what really are going on, but please help the people them, help the people them. Whatsoever aid coming in, get it to the people them, whether them marooning or whatsoever, get it to the people them. That is why them have these big helicopter come to get to the people them in the maroon community. Carry food and give them. And the next thing I talk about the people is this, my people. I saw a lot of people supporting and giving out to the people, which is good. And God bless you, my people. All of you, God bless you. I said it earlier and I say it again. It's a blessing, okay, to see our fellow Jamaican really putting out hands down and helping each other. God bless you all to really jumping out and helping the people them. It's a blessing, okay? Yeah. And me I feel say boy, right now as though me I look on it, me I look on them, me I say, my people, me don't know what is the situation or what is the plan. But sorry, my people, sorry. Sorry about that. I don't know what is the plan, but I feel more than less the government should put up like a soup kitchen like. We call it soup kitchen, but them deal with 3 meals a day for the people them in the devastated area them. Community them will get devastated. Set up some soup kitchen that people them can get 3 meals a day. Come on, I'm telling you this man. You see right now, you see the better you can do for the people, the better it is for you. Okay? Right now, when I see in history, the government has showed this affection for the people that may get damaged. I don't see it. I don't feel it. I don't hear it. I don't see it. If people, if you don't see it, let me know. You see the affection where the Jamaican citizens when I get affected by the storm, you see for them power, where them pushing out, whether them want do it forget views or them do it forget black whatsoever state you know want said, they are helping more than even who are get big time aid. Imagine if one of them YouTubers get a helicopter full of food from America to give the people them. Eh? Imagine. Huh? If one of them entertainer like even say Spice, it get a helicopter full of things. Say in Spice, go and go shape bunch of people them will get damaged. Imagine that, eh? How nice it would be. When I get to me, I say people, when I get to me, I come from, all these big time ears that coming into the country from all over the world. Where are it? Where is it? Who can we not see it? All we are see is just cartel, spice, um, all of the entertainer, all of the superstar, all of the, but we don't see no government official a push out to help the people them the right and proper way. It is not nice. It is not nice. I feel more than this. We need to push out for the people. The people need us. The people need us in this time. This is the time for us to join together and help the people. Why we don't see the government, the both side of the government come together now in a time of disaster? In a time of disaster, why we don't see the government them come together? The two side, JLP and PMP. Why we do not see you people join together now and step out to help the people them that need help now into this crisis? Why is it politics same way election done? The people need help. What is going on? Have a look at thing when I think about. The government put up a after this time the government put up a what I call, I don't know what them put up, but them put up a thing where if you can the people can donate money for the hurricane that disaster. Okay? Alright. I hear the government say them have must say 700,000 US in it so far. That's about a week ago. I believe that about a week ago, I believe. A couple of days ago then, okay? But them say 700,000. I mean say that will be nearly almost million Jamaica. I don't remember how much million Jamaica. But enough million Jamaica, okay? Alright. That is part up to now from that announcement, 700,000 over a week now. We don't hear nothing more about it. So transparency, please. The people would like to know how much more money come into that account for the support of the people. All right. The next thing again, Jamaica insure for any form of disaster. How much billions the government receive from that? I don't get the money as yet. If you get the money, please distribute it to the people because the people need help. The money that you get into the 700,000 US, please distribute it to the people because the people need help. This is the time for the people to get help. This is not a joking time. This is not a give me time. These people are suffering. People are crying. People are begging for help. All right. Every country send aid. Them send food and them send money. So all these money are coming. Why is it that the government can't distribute nothing to the people them? We still ask the question, all these money are coming. What's going on? What is really going on? This is the time we want transparency. This is the time we want people to be fair, to be honest. You can't get money for help the people them and not help. What is why is the problem? What is the problem why this money is not distributed for the people them to get help? Why is it that they don't put up a kitchen in every parish that get the every community will get destroyed by Melissa? They put up a soup kitchen that people can get fed 3 times a day. Why is it that the people don't get destroyed and don't live nowhere and don't get no shelter over them head yet? Why is it that the government don't take them and carry them go on the national arena and carry them go some indoor, even the conference, Jamaica conference down a Montego conference center down a Montego Bay and put them in it, make the people them get somewhere over the shelter over them head? Why is it? All those places taxpayers money bill it. So why is it that they don't use it up for the people them? Why is it that people are out there into the wilderness suffering same way? Why is it amongst the dead, amongst the stinking water, stagnant water, amongst where they filter, amongst where, oh my gosh, come on, man. Why is it? I am asking all these questions, my people. You can send in your comments. Yeah, you can send in all your comments, my people. Patricia Shong, good night to you. How are you doing? Is everything okay? Why is it that I do not take in some? Since me can, it will be a pleasure. Okay? It will be a pleasure if I have the place to put them. All right? It will be a pleasure. All right? Mrs. Chong, yeah, man. Bless up. And thank you for your comments. All right? Enough respect to you. So these are all the things that we are asking. Why is it that the people not getting the help that they deserve and they're supposed to be getting at this time? Why is it? The school system now done in the western part of the island. Oh, the kids them this me not see the government me not see the government do no farmer. Me not see them make no effort. I know these kids should have been taken out of this disaster community and taken somewhere if I been in Kingston and have a classes for them every day. Feed them every day, give them clothes to put on, let them go and stay until them something proper built for them at their home or the government set up something for them. Right now, I don't see the government put up no temporary shelter for the people them. If I even temporary shelter the people need, you're not putting up a temporary shelter. You're not taking them from out of a disaster and carry them into somewhere more better that them can have a more comfortable rest and free their mind from all this destruction. They're still in destruction. They are still in a disaster. What is going on? What is this? I can't believe it. These things need to be stopped. Politics is not the time for politics. No, it's not the time for politics. People are dying. People need help. House water have rise and a flood to cover people's house. Where is the government to go and help the people them here? If I ever got to get generator and suck out the water and suck out the water, suck out the water, suck out the water and see what kind of help you know, can be do. But at least man not try something, do something for the people them, help the people them. That is what it's all about. That's why the people them have a government who cares about them, who love them. Show your love now. Don't make the people them sit on one side and start think all kind of dirtiness. Don't make the people them becomes a monster in this time. Come on, man. Show the people them love. I'm not specifying in no one, but mostly it's going to be it for the government because they are the ruling one. They are the one that controlling all of the funds at this time. All the money, all the aid money we are coming and everything is straight to the government. And yes, still I don't see the people them done in the countryside. We get damaged, house smash up, get some temporary shelter until when we see things getting better, we can say, all right, put up a concrete or slab top. You see? But give them a temporary shelter now. Take the people them out of the wilderness. Hello. Um, Elaine, Elaine, Elaine say, which is right. Put the people them in a hotel If I even that, oh my God, we put it at the national arena. But yeah, that is better. Put the people them in a hotel. Go down on the western part of the island. Go all over from Hanover, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Montego, St. James, St. Chilani, and St. Anne's, Manchester. All of the people that may get damaged, take them out. Take them out and take them somewhere more comfortable. They are human beings, Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. PM. Show us some love, man. It could have been we in Kingston get damaged, you know. And I see him thing when I go through with a few cut up zinc, piece of zinc, tie a piece of zinc, and piece of bone, and go on and eat at night time, go catch up and sleep. Oh my God, no, man. No. Remember, I never say it'll take years. Remember, I'm telling you, it'll take years for this place, for the people to overcome this thing. Years. For them, for them to not see the farm a disaster. Because right now, I be a disaster in them yai. I be a disaster in them yai. Every week, them wake up and look at disaster, them and look on the place has become more stressful more than anything else. The toll where people might use. They start charge for the toll. People them will forget look at here, them have come up with them papers. For sure say them are Jamaican and show say them get affected by hurricane. Generators. I don't get the people who get the generators, them get it, them a, get a like a loan, them alone them it. Sorry, my people. Vista Kuma, big up yourself. Enough respect. All right, Vista Kuma, Mr. Young Man. Yeah, bless up, bless up. It's a pleasure to have you, young fella. Yeah, man, enough love. That's it. Wow, that's it. So it go, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's it. And everybody had to look very good. Yeah. So just give thanks and praise. If you looking good, give thanks and praise for that, okay? I am in stress now. So my looks now going to look good, you know. Stress. Jamaica devastated. My people, my brothers and my sisters, they are all in need and in wants. Okay? So big up yourself. Enough respect to you. So, my people, this is all of my really, how me really feeling tonight. Trust me. Really feel it to a max to know say boy, I have to come and say I have to do a live tonight. And apologizing to all of my people them that we never come live now almost 2 days, 3 days. So yeah, I apologize to all of my people them. Sorry about that, my people. I don't know not look for me come live, but tomorrow, every day I will be live. Every day I will be going live. Okay, my people, keeping up to date with what's going on. Until when my car or when my car fixed, I'm gonna run live, I drive go a country same way. Live, I'm gonna do it live. Because I some people, yeah, I can't say everything. See, yeah man. Elaine say, we say, it's all good money, it's rich man world. Yes, money is rich man world, but a lot of people are suffering right there and right now. All these money need to go to the people now in sufferation. This is the problem in this world. In this world, there's a lot of billion, million, trillion here. And yet still in one of the richest countries of the world, one of the fastest growing countries in the world, you find a lot of homeless people sleeping on the street. while these countries are so rich. What kind of heart these leaders have for their people? That's what I want to know. You can't be a rich country and have billions and billions and billions. And yet still people living on the street and don't try to build something and help them. No, man, we don't let mentality, we don't humanity, we don't join them youth. We have to be humanized for people. We have to show love for people. Remember, say, all this world set up in a way where you have a hundred man, and out of the 100 man, only 50 of them can becomes rich. And out of the 50 of them who becomes rich, only 25 of them can becomes a millionaire. Out of that 25 who becomes a millionaire, only 12 of them can becomes a billionaire. Out of that 12 who becomes a billionaire, only 6 can becomes a trillionaire. See? So I saw the thing set continue over and over. So the 50 we can have nothing. We have to help each others. That's all the things set. That's why Father God said that we are there. We have to help our brothers and sisters that need help. In a time like now, a devastated hurricane passed through a little small Caribbean island like Jamaica. All country all over the world is pouring in their love by supporting, by giving food, water, they're giving him blanket, them sending in tarpaulin, them sending generator, them sending even money. But yet still, our government is not responding enough to the need of the people at the present moment. The people are in deep need. And that is what we are talking about. Respond quick enough, faster enough to the people. Get the team them in, get the team them into the places. Assist the people, then take them out, carry them in a hotel or carry them go to arena. Whole of money come. You can pay the hotel fee for 1 year, 6 months. Control the hotel there. And feed the people them. What is it? What is it? The hotel them dump on the north coast, them mash up. All right, no. So, feel say, one of them hotel there, or two of them hotel there, and three of them hotel them on the north coast, can hold all of them people upon the restaurant part of Jamaica and get them comfortable in life and try to rebuild back them life. Eh? Come on, government, man. You have to do something, You have to do something. The money you have to give people. You see the money, when I get, I have to give the people them. If I even $5, I'm just terms it that way. If I even $5, I go put themselves back on them foot, help back them foot. I have to not give them house and put in some furniture, a look bed and a look stove and say, all right, try build back yourself. That's it. You see me? That's it. You make sure you get out of the money now. We make sure you see the infrastructure of the country, we build back that out of the country and give the people them money to get back themselves on them foot. It is very, very reasonable. Very, very reasonable. All them insurance money for the country for disaster, it there. All the money we are coming in the country for disaster, help the people with the money. So my people, I am crying, my heart is bleeding. Trust me, I'm bleeding, my people. We need help in this country. I am into Kingston. You know they are the western part of Jamaica. But they are Kingston. But my interest is to go and help the people. Them. Why I believe my car engine mash up. Tuesday this time done. Wednesday, I take up on my drive go a country, which is Santa Cruz. I buck up on the mudslide. My car engine mash up down there. I have to head back at town with it. I have to just know so it have to carry me back at town. I left Santa Cruz 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock the morning. out of Davrin, or it one name, Darwin or Davrin. Big up to Juna, where they are Juna place. You see? Juna place me there, park up for the night. So big up this to Juna and them crew. You see, if you accept me in them place, I'm going to sleep in my car till the morning, 5 o'clock, I wake up and full my radiator water and full my bucket of my water and say me an edge if you reach a town. I'm going to reach a town until 10 o'clock the night. I go to the 11, after 10 I go to the 11. I reach the night, my people, to the amount of time you have to stop on the road just to have my concern for my people that get damaged in the western Jamaica. But push out whatsoever it may take, it take an engine, but it is not my life. I am still here, can go and help my brothers and sisters. Yes, it is not my life. Sir, too many people are scamming. Too many people are scamming. Well, too many people are scamming. I'm agree with that. And a lot of things are going on. A whole lot of things are going on. But in everything in this world, I'm telling you this, my people. Everything in this world, there is good and there is bad. Some people get themselves involved with the good, while some people get themselves involved with the bad. Okay? But there's always a two side of it. You have the good and you have the bad. There's a lot of things going on, people scamming, people doing all kind of things. Yeah? But I feel more that the best help I see so far push out is YouTubers. Different from the celebrity entertainer, yeah? Therese and the word Shaggy and Sean Paul and Alkaline and Grace Hamilton and Cartel and is it different from all these people? World leader from all different countries, from Africa, from Europe, from Asia, from North America, from South America, and even at the Caribbean. I send support to the island. So a lot of scamming are going on. Trust me, a lot of scamming are going on. And the bigger punch of the scamming is in the upper ranks, the upper hierarchy. They are. I can tell you that YouTubers, YouTubers, we do this to build them channel. YouTubers like myself, we do this thing to build our channel. Okay, to get people to know that we are so full of humanitarian. We are we are so helpful. We willing to go out there and help people in whatever necessary way. That is YouTubers. And every time them do it, they're making them blog and showing the world what them do. That is YouTubers. See? So to me as a YouTubers, I'm not telling a lie. People supporting the YouTubers if it's to help the people them, that's the way to go. That's the way it should be, and that's the way to go. Because YouTubers are push out and are help the people them. Yeah? Them I use them influence. Yeah? YouTubers are using their influence towards Jamaica. Help the people that getting help. People that you see a jump on and a jump on board and them going and them build a fake page, like we call it now, aid for people can aid. Most of them educated people, these educated people, them people that jump on the apps and I do all kind of these all kind of thing and a scam kind of say yes, this is the time for them to can send out a letter to the world and say boy can donate money to this and donate money to that. In which case this is not a real thing, it is scam. But you, my people, what I can say to you, put your trust in the people that you really see every day. Every day, you watch YouTube. Every day, you watch up on YouTube and see we are doing business and see we are doing thing. Every day, we do it live and we come and, and people say, boy, we're begging you to subscribe and begging you to like and share. That's the way to go because we are there to make ourselves people all over the world to know we. And if we to becomes that type of person we do in our channel, people all over the world are not back away from YouTuber. That's why I said YouTuber is the best push to do us this thing. And my people, a lot of the scammers do not want to work. Overall, friend, people who do scamming no work. The only work them do is sit up on them computer, them laptop, whatever, or them phone and try to get a client. That's all, not more. You have people who get them richness honestly. I have people who get them richness dishonestly. So, that's it. That's how them set the world. That's how them set the world. That's why I know we the people know we have to have a good heart. And see it that's a to how them set this world. People are suffering. And these people do not responsible for the people that do not have it. And most of the time when these disaster come and it is the people them who do not have it get it the most and get affected the most. While the storm never come, I hear the storm come and hear the Jamaica house blow down. I hear the White House blow down. Eh? Huh? They hear the Governor General house lick down. They hear the minister them house blow down. Why the storm never come and hear that? No. The poorer people always feel these things. And these are people, they call them vultures, they live after the poor. Remember, they live after we, the poor people. Them trick we, them use we, and then they refuse we in a time like this. They are always there to make themselves higher after the poor people head. At all time. That is not good. Definitely, that is not good. All right. And why you believe, say, a lot of people right now, in a time like now in Jamaica, this trouble, this tribulation, this disaster in Jamaica, a lot of people prefer donate to YouTubers more than go through certain system. Enough people prefer sending money to YouTubers, send a 10 or 50 or $100 to YouTubers, prefer pack 10 barrel of clothes and send come get YouTubers. You see what I'm doing? Yes, no people prefer do that. Because them see that the bigger heads them is not working for the people. When they are whenever time them do things whenever time them feel like it's the people them are obligated underneath them. And when them feel comfortable and safe before them say, all right, come and give them some water. No, on a straight for go. People get things to give people, you go give the people them it. And a fear. If you want hold on pan things, you use your personal things. Next thing again, me I look for me I say, me a ball and me I say, me want to say all of these 63 members of parliament. We have 63 members of parliament in Jamaica. And me I really want to say these 63 members of parliament, if each members of parliament can put out $1 million out of them pay, that is 63 million Jamaican dollar. That can do a lot towards a lot of people towards getting back them shelter. Why do these members of parliament, ministers, and whatsoever they want to be, spokesperson, parliament secretary, whatsoever they want to be, each one of you people, instead of una blight to the people them, the people them vote for you, all of 63 members of parliament. Jamaican people vote for you and put you right there. See? I think it is blessed if all of you members of parliament come together into Garden House and every one of you pledge $1 million towards the people them that is suffering. All members of parliament, 63 members of parliament, you must all come together and pledge $1 million out of your pay that you are collecting from taxpayers' money. Donate back $1 million to the western part of Jamaica. And if everybody donate $1 million, it will be how much? 63 millions. Permanent secretary and all these people, who everybody can donate something. Because, listen to me, I say, man, we don't pay big. We don't pay big. Jamaican politicians don't pay big. We don't need to help the people them back. Give back the people them something out of the taxpayer money when they get them big raise of pay there. Give back something to the people them. 63, you know. Each one of them give $1 million out of the pay, still not jerk, you know. It not touch on the pocket. Each one of them give $1 million out of the pay, still not jerk, you know. No member of parliament now get $1 million a year. No member of parliament now get $1 million a year. We can do something for the people them. We don't bet it looks too bad. We don't bet it look too bad. What is it all about? It's all about grabbing and enriching yourself and family. Eh? What about we, the poor people that is suffering in this country, bending our back to build this country? Why is it that we don't have a priority like the rest of big heads them? Why we have to go through all these pain? My people, I am a YouTuber and I'm here. I'm just asking you, please. I'm kindly begging you all, my people, please. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please. I am begging you, please to subscribe. And if you haven't liked the videos yet, please give me a like. This is what you do for me now, my people. You can help me to achieve, to support people. Because remember, I'm telling you, the next 3 years from now, we have to support the people that don't arrest in Jamaica same way. Remember, I'm telling the people, we have to drive from Kingston and go arrest in Jamaica. Support people, help people, build them house back. We can't build back the boardhouse, get people for living in. We don't zinc top. We have to give the people them slap top with strong concrete house because these hurricanes are terrible. I saw it rip up a boardhouse. It just rip it up. Just rip up the boardhouse like that. Eh? Imagine. Eh? Oh my God, if people did that house, everybody dead. I don't know if people dead night, but to how it rip up that the house, I don't think nobody could have really dead night. So we need to build back concrete house for the people. Them, even me myself need concrete house to live in too. But my heart is out for the people that get affected the most. These are people that we are trying to bring back on them foot. I don't have it to support my people, but my influence and my channel, it can help if I even want somebody or two, somebody, or even three, someone to get back a house. It can. It is a platform and it can help people to get back on their foot, to get along with their daily life. It can. But all these things is just transparency. That's all it takes. And once you have transparency in what you're doing, and people see that you are 100% pure, it is that. That is it. I get in some comments from my loving people them. RJ Baker, good night to you. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna read your comments. This other guy is saying that the president administration is doing good and the government is separate by stupidity. And the government is separate by stupidity. At this present moment, RJ, 63 parliament them separate because they do one set out of the 63 parliaments, see? One have 28 and one have 35. Okay? You see, the one who have 35, them have the money. You see, the 28, they don't really have no money in the government. So the 35 now, if you join with the 28, with the money them have, and bet the 28 have money, and bet the people them feel better in the island. It now go like that. It is all about politics, which is wrong at this time. People need help on a politics time now. Forgot about politics. Help the people them say help. People them want help. And the people them must get help. What I said, the people them must get what? Help. Prayers for all those in Jamaica. Bless up to you all. Thank you, Baz. What that? Balstri, Bandito, Bandito. Big up yourself. Thank you for your prayer. Bless up. Enough love to you and respect. Thank you for joining my life. Okay? Elaine MC. Really not good. Really not good. They must pressure the people them. They must kill half the people them. Trust me. RJ Baker. This other guy say that, okay, read that already. Elaine MC. Sir, they are not going to do that. They have to be careful who they send the money to, because the wrong will get that money. That's how it goes, sir. Yes, Elaine, they have to be very careful of who they send their money to. Okay? I even noticed Elaine. Say, as me there, because remember, no, I'm a YouTuber, so me talk for the YouTubers. Them. Can't talk for all YouTubers, because I'm telling you this. YouTubers get $10, $20, $50, $100. These are the money where YouTubers get. And they all appreciate every God Almighty sent. And then put them together and make it work. When YouTubers go out there and help people and the world see it, the world help back the YouTuber. by bet them channel grow bigger. So it is a no YouTubers have something to gain, while others people, they don't really have nothing. The only thing they want to gain is to gain up of the people them. But YouTubers have something to gain because what they are doing their job as usual. That's why I say the people them have to choose and be careful who them really are. Send $1, our 10 cent, our 20 cent to really go support the people them. Just like that for real. You see me? Yeah. One time it used to be guy, no, it division among the two party, like America two party. Oh my God. For real man. Really divide. Cause I thought in Beryl, when Beryl hit Jamaica, where there, in the early part of last year, no? Every member of parliament get money. I don't know what no. All the member of parliament that was get affected, no? Yes. Because no, I use the wrong word. Not every member of parliament. All members of parliament consequences that was get affected by Berry, sorry, they get money to support but their consequences. Okay, yeah. And yes, still, a lot of people didn't get no support because a lot of the house them blow down now by Melissa. They was written by Beryl. They was shaken by Beryl. So they're never strong. Well, that's it, mom. That's it, mom. You have your, you have to just kit back and like for instance, it's like you directly looking to see the right person where you can say yes. You have a peace of mind with that person. You can say yes. I can send me $20 to get that person there. For him help out people. See? You can't just take up and not send to anybody. Understand me, lady? Yeah. You have to have a peace of mind. You have to have a trust in somebody. If you really can send your money to get them. You send your 20, your 50, your 100, your 200, whatever you want to send. You have to have trust in a person to do that. Okay? So when you say you just can't do it, that is it. You just cannot do that because that confident for you to do that, that it is not there for you to that person. Whatever person, if even me, if it isn't me, you just don't have that confidence. Okay? So that is it. So you have to build that trust and that confidence before you can take up your hard work earning money that you work so hard for in snow, that you have to take bus from one state to a next state to go and work. It's not easy. It's not easy, my lady. It's not easy. I don't want easy something. Trust me. I mean, not encourage nobody in other state there. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Help, RJ. Help. Jamaica need help. The Western Jamaica need help. A lot of people going to use this to benefit themselves, to feed off of the people them, but Jamaica need help. Just pray to Father God that you can find the right person, or we can send a little dollar to, and $20 to, and that person have good mindset to help people and use the money in the right and proper way. It's not everybody a scammer. People is here to help. People is here to help. Trust me. Um, The fun, Archie Baker, the fun, the vulnerable people will not see as sin. I pray for help and healing for Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth because the part of the country is different. It's a different partism and the present government isn't going to. Good talk, good talk. Because I believe a year park, I'm talking like this. The government didn't stop in Westmoreland and sent it in fly go straight to Montego Bay and stop. You never go a Sente or Westmoreland and stop. Hey, good talk, my people. That is true. Reality. Trust me. That comments is reality. Man, RJ, that comments is reality. Help people who are help, especially the present government. Oh my God. Generator. People them now get the generator. Forget here the food we are coming from all over the world. The people them have to have a passport. It's like a passport for you to go and collect these food. I'm saying if your house blow down and your papers then blow away, and you have that papers if you don't show who you is, you not get no food. But thank God for the YouTubers them, they no matter who you want to be, they just want to drive past and see you. Yeah, get food for the eat. Food, food, food. People, a foreigner donate their money to them to give people food. Them not tell them to specialize on about. Them say go give the people them a Westmoreland food. Give the people them a St. Elizabeth food. Give the people them a Hanover food. Give the Western Jamaican people them food because them want food. That's what the people them say. That is what them want. See them money do. Help the people them now. So my people, me right now at this present moment, my people, I can't tell no this, my people. My car is done. Me can not do no farmer helping to the people them at this present moment unless me get my car up and running. And well, have a lot of people really reach out to me, yeah, to really assist me with my car and really appreciate them people there. And me thank them for them support. Yeah. So right now, my people, me have a lot of clothes to send go get the people them. Out. Me wait till my car up, I push them on my car back, because I wagon me drive my people. Stuff clothes in it and full up my tank of gas and I drive go get people clothes. If it comes to the test that me have to put pot in there and go a country and look wood and make up wood fire and cook food that people can eat, me will do it too. Me not have a problem with it. Me go country to spend our week, days. Yes, my people, I tell you, trust me. As long as me have to do it for my people, them, me willing to go do it for my people, them. RJ Baker said, Elaine, MC, oh my God, your family sent a lot of food last week. That's it, my friend. Thank you very much for that, man. Trust me, you know how much people that help out. Yeah, man, a lot of people really feel good about that. And may God bless you, and your food basket will never empty. It will always have been something that you can always assist people in need. God bless you, Elaine. God bless you and your family. Yeah, man, enough love every time. You copy, every people. RJ Baker said I must be. There was this lady in Westmoreland on YouTube crying, I wish I could help her. She's very sick with diabetes and in so much pain. She lost everything. Um, I saw that video too, you know. I saw that video. I saw that video. I saw that video. It is very touching, you know. Trust me. I mean, I really want, but you don't know. I really want to carry some clothes again. Trust me, because I have a lot of clothes on my people. Woman clothes and man clothes. Can't carry the people real. You see it? Yeah, man. Trust me. Archie Baker said, be careful and safe. Thank you very much. I will always be there, you know? Try my best. Yeah, man. Keep on the safe. I know, say, me I look upon all the things now, me I say to myself, say, if it happen to be that me get some food and so forth, if I carry go a country to get the people them, with the clothes them, but I use, like if I have that one security officer from the station to really guide me and protect along the way because I see a lot of way or me see the people them really turning monster. Yeah, the people them are turning monster. You see me? Yeah, man. So me, me I really want if me I go down there, me just use a security force officer as the security to give out the food them. You see it? Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, man. Elaine, thank you also for your support. Okay? And God bless you for your support, yeah, man. And for your support to the people them that really need it. God bless you and your family at all time. Enough love to you. Copy that? Yeah, man. Jaja know. And my people, at this present moment, I must ask you, my people, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please, kindly do so for me, please. I am kindly just asking for your support for the subscribe to my channel or even like my video. Even press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be really appreciated for that. If you people can just support me, even that way, I appreciate it. And thank you very much for your time, your precious time that you have been spending with me at this moment. God bless you every time. You see? Yeah, man. Judge, I know that. Young people, so when I feel say the generator them and the people them get figure, them should have really loan them out or lend them and lend the people them or what. When I feel say it should have go like that. I feel like say them should just give the people them a generator then. Or them get them figure out. So just give people generator. You see it? Yeah. The people them take good care of them. So just give them generator. You see it? Give them food, give them everything. Thank you, Andre. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah, man. Enough love every time to you, my friend. Thank you very much. Sir, what days are you on? What days are I am? Wow. 60 years of days I am on. Can you please explain more? Okay, I don't really understand. What you mean, Elaine? Yeah. So what days are you on? I don't really. Oh, what day are me on? Okay, I'll be on tomorrow again. Okay. Yeah. I'll be on tomorrow again. So yeah, look out for me tomorrow again. Okay? Yeah, man. I know me have to really get some info, get the news and we can really come in and support you, my people. Keep you up to date to what's really going on. Yeah, that is it because for now, that we can do right now for that time, for the time being, right now, just go and run my live and keep it up to date until when we get my car up and I start drive go a country. But you know see more. All we do with things and support the people then. If we get support. You see? Yeah, man. Ah, I will be on tomorrow. Welcome, Ave. Welcome, Ave. Blessed to you. I'll be on tomorrow. Yeah, yes, Elaine. Thank you. Yeah, man, my people. So, just like that, as me I say, we really and truly have to give thanks and praise to the Almighty God for everything. You see, because it could have been worse. Sir. It could have been worse. Imagine if that storm, I enter from Jamaica, enter Jamaica from the east, going back to the west. People, imagine, imagine my people, what could have really happened? What will have really take place? Eh? Imagine if that storm they enter from even Kingston. Huh? The people, oh my God. Trust me, me not tell no lie. Jamaican people, me I beg you to do. You know, to pray every day. Pray every God Almighty day. We do not know where this monster storm really come from, develop, and just really come. But remember, me telling you, climate change, my people. Climate change is a very, 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 very big cause of this big, mightyful, powerful hurricane. Remember me telling you that, yeah, man. Climate change. My people, I want to type in and me know if what I am saying, I am wrong or am I right. I said climate change have a lot to do with this powerful storm that is developing now. Yeah, my people, man, trust me. And as me said earlier, I say government need to put up soup kitchen, something like a soup kitchen is a restaurant, just like when I say Jizzybergs, Jizzybergs and him team as another YouTuber from Portland, leave from Portland and them go St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, them drop a tent and then cook food and give people food, which is a good move. Okay? That is a good move. If we can get some more like that into the parish, then we get affected. The people them can get a meal, 2 meal a day, or 3 meal, and get up a mountain and get a cup of tea. They can get tea and get something to eat. See? Because the time really hot and have something like a big something with beer, cool water. For the people that can get cool water, good cooling water for drink. See? And the next thing again, my people, when we really want the government, I am calling upon the PM towards this. Mr. PM, please, if you love your people, then I beg you do. Take them out of the poverty where they mean, and the state of poverty, the state of poverty that they are in now in the western part of Jamaica. Take them and take them to a hotel, a guest house. More than one, because enough people. Put them in it for the time being. Give them a 6 months at the hotel. Give them a year at the hotel and have time to redevelop the place now. Develop the place for the people. Because we have to build concrete house that the people them can get. And here next thing again, me I look out. And Mr. Government, you need to do something about this. These housing developers that developing the house them in the island, they scheme them, the house them. And I tell the people them say the roof of the house is hurricane proof. What can go so? Eh? Or it can prove it can withstand a category 5 hurricane. And yes, still so many people roof blow off. So where the category 5 hurricane roof there where the people them pay them almost billions, millions of dollars for house. And we take a stack of cardboard, make the house them. A paper. What is it? What can go so? Eh? These are what the people them is going through. These are the things that Jamaican are go through. People just come and make a billions of money off a Jamaican head. How can you make cardboard house and sell people for millions of dollars? Eh? Cardboard house? Eh? And put on roof and tell the people them say it can withstand a category 5 hurricane. And now them really get a category 5 hurricane, all house stop blow off. People them need to take you to court, man. Trust me. They need to take you to court, man. No, man, that is robbery. White collar robbery. Eh? Come on, man. Come on, man. It's not good, man. That's not good at all. When you spend your millions of dollars buy house and you're in Nigeria, your family and say, boy, yes. Them tell me, say, this rooftop here is a hurricane category 5 rooftop. So I have to fret. We can sit in my house and ease back. I will take a stack and see your house ripple apart. And when you go and take up the sitting and build your house, a cardboard, you see, paper. Come on, man, you need to go to court. We now rob the people them, man. You can't build cardboard and sell people, so for millions of dollars. I don't matter who want to do it. That is robbery. The lady on the line a while ago talking about scamming. That is a part of scamming. You use cardboard and build house and charge the people the millions. Angie Baker, thank you, thank you. Okay, I answer all those already. Oh, RJ, protect yourself good, you know. Protect yourself good from these snow. Make sure so you're button up. Your big coat, your winter coat. Yeah, snow coat. You see? Yeah. Protect yourself, cause good people must always prevail. Yeah. So protect yourself. Yankee, pick up yourself, enough respect to you. You see? Bless up to you, Yankee. That is it. The copy. The people, Samuel, enough respect to you. It's a blessing to have you, my friend. Yeah, man. But there I go and look into certain part of things we are happening to the people in this Jamaica land where we all love. It's still our beautiful island. It is still our beautiful island. This is our beautiful island in the Caribbean, Jamaica land we all love. Remember that, my people, this is Jamaica, the land of paradise. Touch up the screen, subscribe, like up the video. Please, I'm asking you, my people, please like up the video and subscribe right away, my people. Trust me. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, my people, man, what is really going on? What is really going on? Yeah? The people them need help. And this is serious thing. The people need help. And we have to give helping, we have to have a help, push a helping and out there to the people them for them to hold on to. We cannot be that selfish. Thank you, Elaine. And God bless you too. And thank you for your precious time that you have spent with me. Yeah, man. Thank you very much for it. Is it? Yeah. And thank you for your support also. And God bless you until tomorrow again. Okay? Yeah, man. That is it. Look out for it tomorrow again, my friend. That is it. Up and running. Cha cha. Up. Miriam, Miss Palmer. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome, welcome. How is everything? Thank you for joining my live. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. So, me I say temporary house for the people them. But there's a better way more than temporary house. There is a better way more than temporary house. Go down to the western part of the country and take out all of the people that may get affected. Take them out. Take them out and carry them in a motel. They put them in a big hotel. If a 3 hotel, put them in a 3. If a 4, 6, 5, put them in it. Any amount of hotel, put them in it. If hotel up on the north coast available, put them in it. If hotel up on the south coast available, put them in it. Put the people them somewhere. People them in a Montego Bay, put them in a hotel. People them in a Wochi, St. Anne's where I get, put them in a hotel. Hanover people them, pan the back skirt, pan Hanover, to come back to Negril, put them in a hotel. Help the people them to get back on them foot. Meanwhile, they put the people in the hotel, you have most time now, can clean up the ground. Clean up the ground. When you carry the people that put them in a hotel now, you have much time now, can clean up the ground and can decide how you're going to build back for the people them. But remember, it can be ply and zinc again. It have to be solid concrete with enough steel. Okay? Solid, strong concrete with enough steel done on the western part of Jamaica. And like how these things happen now, you know the government should have do? The government should have drive on the whole country and the whole island. Send out your team all over the island to take and see people who live in from Kingston, from Port Moran Point to Negril Point, east, west, north, and south. Send out your team. The team them employ people, send them out to find out yard to yard and see the house where people live in and see the condition how you can help people rebuild. That way for next time come and eat anywhere the island. The people them is alright. That is one of the main things. And if you don't want to be a good government, you don't have to think out of the box. Think for the people them and make the people love you know. You can't just want the people them vote alone and not want to do nothing for the country. Help the people them. Send out people go find out people them who live in a Rata Castle, because a lot of us live like myself. Rata Castle we live in. When storm come, we are fret. Send out a team, come help the people them. A whole heap of money are coming to the island now. Whole heap of money are pouring at Jamaica. We need good governance. We need good governance now. I get to Alex, get some more comments, my people. Yeah. Anytime, Elaine, it will be anytime after 8, basically, yeah. All right, 8 p.m. Angie Baker in the Philippines. Oh my God. My condolence goes out to for the people them in the Philippines because the disaster, the disaster that happened in the Philippines, man. How much people die, man, and oh my God, man, I tell you, man, it was a disaster. Trust me. My condolence to all the people that get affected in the Philippines. Trust me. That is where you live, Angie, in the Philippines? In the Philippines, they just get two typhoon and hit them against that. Is why they to build their house to stand up to the typhoon disaster. Basically, that is true. You have to build. You see things like this will happen now. You have to when you build now, you try to rebuild over the rest of the country before something like that. No must it just already build you know. We build up Western Jamaica. This time we come again, no must come on Western Jamaica where you build up, you know. It'll come in the central of Jamaica when you build up. Come tear it down. So it's better if you go save some life from now around the island and try to reinforce the people them house. People living in some little chaka chaka. Knock it down and build up good concrete house. Give them if they are even 90-year-old and you don't build your house, them drop out and alive and nothing. Build something, give them for living. That is what government is for. Help your people of your country. Do not wait till disaster. Getting some more comments. Okay, what time? Okay, in the Philippines. Yeah, Agabeka, definitely right, man. Trust me. Avi, my moderator, Avi, pick up yourself, enough respect every time. And God bless you for your time at all also. Is it? 8 p.m. Eastern time. That is right, my moderator. God bless you for that. That's how it's supposed to go. That's how it's supposed to go. And it's supposed to me have a little problem. Like for instance now, people are donate money to me to help the people at the western part of Jamaica. See? It is my duty whenever time I collect these people, donors, money, I supposed to come on my life and I said, okay, today, Marian Johnson, Pauline Cottage, Ivan Thompson, John Jonah, and Mr. Falcon they all send money and the money them send, the amount of them send and how much it amount up to. That is what it take because it is people money and people send them money. So I'm supposed to acknowledge to the people and the rest of people that is into my community. Let them know what is going on. For instance, now, the storm blow. The government set up a fund thing people donate to. Them say them get 700,000 US. That's how much millions Jamaica. That is nearly 1 million American dollar. That should be nearly 150 million US. Jamaican. Yeah. 1 million US. Yeah. That be nearly 150 and I mean if the right my people tell me, that'll be 150 for a dollar. See? All right. So tell me something now, my people. You tell the people them say they get 700 and add in a space of 1 week. 2 weeks now. Or we can't get them more information how far it reach and how much money I've been spending out of that money towards the victim of this hurricane. The victim that this money have set up for to help. How much people is getting help out of this money? You have a thing them call name disaster fund. Every country I know are set up a disaster fund. Yeah, I ever hear Jamaica say them have a disaster fund. I always hear them talk about it. Yeah. How much money is that disaster fund? Can the nation know how much money is this disaster fund, the amount it is? Okay. Can the nation know? Can we, the Jamaican people, know all these countries that is sending money for our aid? Can we, the Jamaican people, know how much money America send, England, Canada, Japan, Asia, Korea, China, anywhere to and come from Africa? Can all of these money come together up in a one and tell the Jamaican people say we collect $2 billion already or $1 billion already from aid for the country? Can we get that information? I think it is good. I think it is right for all these aid coming and the people know what's going on. They cannot get the money them and the people them now know what go on and people them now get not know that it now spend on them thing there. It not sound good. It not look right. It not look right. It not look right. Mr. Whosoever is responsible. It not look good. The people them need help. And the people them must get help. Read some more comments. All right. Go on and think, man. Or that Godson. Godson. Go on and think, man. Pick up yourself. Enough respect. Thank you for joining my life, Godson. Yeah. Samuel, Chronic Ghetto People is so relevant in this current moment, not just Jamaica, but worldwide. True, 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 my brother. True, true, true. Basically, worldwide, you know? Yeah, man. For that, ethnics pride. Good night. Good night, my brother. Good night, good night. Ethnic Pride. I don't know if the lady are on, but good night to you. Good night to you. Good night. Ethnic Pride. In 2030, smart city is all that is on my mind. In the 2030 smart city is all that is on my mind. That is the next point. I was listening to the government talking and them say to really rebuild back Black River, to really rebuild back Black River at this moment is not equitable because it have to go in as some farmer studying or I don't know something before it can come to a sense of mind how to really rebuild back Black River. But as of me here, they want to put the smart city in Black River. I don't know how true it is, but it's alleged that the government want to put the smart city in Black River. Well, I don't know how true it is, but we are lookout, we have our eyes open to see what is going to take place. Okay? Yeah, man. So, Mr. Pride, the eyes are open. Jamaica. No many of my colleagues, family, and friends were affected. Okay, we said nobody for you affected. That's good. That's good. Yeah, man. And thank God for that. You see in RJ, yeah, man. But you don't know, not because none of my friend and my family is affected. I am still going to help my brothers and sisters because we are all Jamaicans. So I have to put out my effort and help them because they need help at this time. You see me? So no matter how it go, we have to go help our brothers and sisters. That is it. Them need our help. Them need our hand to hold on to at this present time. And we are here strong and healthy. We can just go and assist our brothers and sisters. And God will bless us. Basically. I tell you. Yeah. Um, Elaine Arjibeka, well said. Yeah. Michael. Hey, Mr. Robinson, did you get a chance to go through Royal Bruno, Chilane? Mike, good night to you, Mike. Good night, and welcome to my live at this present moment. And the name Mike, yes, is for the first time. Thank you for joining my live. It's a pleasure to have you. Okay, thank you very much for joining. Um, when the storm blow, Mike, and I leave out of Kingston Wednesday, I reach Santa Cruz and my car break down, my engine mash up. Up to now, I don't buy back an engine as yet. I am on the verge of getting and to try to fix back my car. Buy back an engine, it's going to cost me nearly 200,000 or more to get that engine back and get it in back in the car and get the car running again. Over $200,000 cost me, or probably 200,000. See? And I don't get enough time for reaching at Chilani, St. Anne's, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland. The furthest I reach, I go through Clarendon, Manchester, and reach at St. Elizabeth. And my car brought down a Black River. Bare mudslide. Car mash up, engine mash up. I have to turn back on my town. Just like that. See? So, when I get the chance to really just see it yet, we're done. See? Yeah, man. Um, because of global warming and some politicians don't take it seriously of climate change. That is it. That is it, RJ Baker. Yes, every country have a disaster fund set aside. Basically, every country have a disaster fund set aside. Every country. I'm gonna hear our leader them talk nothing about it. We no hear, we no hear. And plus all when them a get, we no hear. And that's something of a pile up. And that's something of a pile up, you know. The people them need help now. Help. The people them want help, them must get. Um, oh, it takes pride. You're a woman. Okay. Bless up, my friend. Enough respect to you. Yeah, man. It's a pleasure to have you. All right? Yeah, man. Um, Johnny Lester, go get facts. Can you please give me some of the facts? Please. I really appreciate it. Okay? Yeah, man. Miss Pride, the PM said that the smart city will be in Black River. When I heard that, my immediate thought was, oh, you going to build a city on top of an exiting city? Where are you going to put the people? Ah, Price said, the mining is another factor. The mining is another factor. Oh my God. But I say, Black River is done a city already. And then want to build a smart city in a Black River. So I wonder where they're going to put it, on top or below. Probably they might will put it below, underneath. We don't know. Probably. Oh my God. They said the mining is another factor. Yes. Yeah. The mining have a lot to do with it too, yeah. Mm-hmm. Reading the gum. Yeah. Yeah, my people, so my people, if anybody wants us to be of good terms towards this, please you can contact us. You can contact me on my WhatsApp or we can get from there. Okay? So anybody like my WhatsApp number can just request it and you will get it. Okay? That is it. Anybody at all that need to be supportive can just get my WhatsApp number and we can move from there. Okay? Yeah, man, that is it. And as I said, my people, I'm asking you kindly again, my people, for your support by subscribing to the channel if you haven't. If you have not subscribed as yet, please grant me that flavor by just subscribing to the channel. And this video now, this live now, please press the like button and like up the live for me. Please. I will be very appreciative for it. Yeah, very, very much. That is it. You see me, people? Yeah, man, just like that. Okay, yeah, man, that's it. That's it. Avila, yes, Avila, can do that for me. Thank you very much. It's a blessing. Always, always a blessing. Okay. Ah, boy. Everything done gone that way already. That's why I find most people, like the most entertainer, don't donate them money or them things to the government. Them take it themselves. Or them join and with a YouTuber to do it. You find enough celebrity like some rich people, them find a YouTuber, them go do it with the YouTuber. Them not go with the government. Which is right move, you know? Right move. Yes, my people. So that's my WhatsApp number, 233-6408. Yeah. You can just do, if you really would like to be a part of what is it all about for these people that is crying for help, crying that is really in need. If you want to be a part, please, no matter how small you have, no matter how small it is, no matter what way you have, my people, if I even close you have, no matter where you have, you can send come assist the people them. And if you want to use through my media, no problem. I appreciate it. I will appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. See? Yeah, my people. So I'm gonna read some more comments. The Prime Minister need to get young people to reap the land to make money, to live a good life. That is true. They need to make the young people, push out young people, give them more work and give them good work too. That them can make good money and can make a good life and live a good life. Just like so them that really want to do it. And I can't tell us that's reality that is really reality. Trust me. The people them need good assistance by getting good payment. Can no build them good house to live in and some people, some of the house them really get tear up. Trust me, the people them no really never have a cat to like my house. But tell them people say if that's time we had hit Kingston. My look at a tattoo me living right now. It a rip apart. If that's time they hit Kingston. This a look also mean right now. With a rip apart. God this can't withstand. Category 5. Wind at 185 miles per hour. No, this can't withstand it. You have slab top. I mean slab top, but I mean a little thin slab. I mean thick slab top with good steel in it and good foundation coming from out of the ground coming up. Yeah, basically, yeah, that is it. Yeah, my people. Basically, that is it. Is it? So, to all of my people, please, I am calling upon you, my people. I am calling upon you. Please, remember Jamaica in your prayer. Remember Jamaica whenever time you're going to your bed and you're going to pray to ask the Lord to guide you through the night for you to wake up in the morning with a lot of strength and energy. Please remember Jamaica. We need every single soul prayer at this time. We need all of your prayer at this time. Jamaica need prayer. And remember, my Jamaican brothers and sisters, wherever you are watching this video from, remember, do not stop pray. Don't you stop pray. Let the young man them start to build. Basically, the school system now. From the kind of bother my mind, I don't know how I'm gonna mention it yet, But all the school in the go down in the western part of Jamaica for all these kids now. What is the part? What is the plan the government have for all these kids in the western part of Jamaica that their house have been demolished? That where they live have becomes a disaster ground. What is the plan for these kids? Small, medium, and big. What is the plan for them? I would like to know. Okay, RJ. Thank you very much for your support. God bless you. And tomorrow night again. All right? Yeah, man. Enough respect. Have a safe night and a good rest. All right? That is it. Yeah. Yeah, man. That is it, the people. Yeah. So, what is really the plan at this present time? We really want to know what is the plan. Because I know I don't hear the government come out with a plan, the Ministry of Education, and nobody come out with a plan for the western part of the island, schoolers that get affected. It is going to be like this, that they don't get no schooling for now, because school mash up, destroy, and so forth and so forth. What is the plan for all these kids? Yeah, man, that is it. You copy? Yeah, we have to just be supportive of each other, you see? And each one of us is on this life. We want us to be a family for each amongst each other. Okay? We want to be a family amongst each other. Okay, my people? Yeah, man, that is it. You see? Yeah. If you think my people about the kids them, we don't know the western part of the island, all them school not go. If they not in a school uniform, you know, see, the government a plan to carry no, no book, no bag, nothing to give them. Them want pencil, them want shoes, khaki, uniform, so forth and so forth. What is the plan for the western part of the island people, the kids them, that is going to school? I really want to know what is the plan. Is it going to be just like that? No school for now? Or them have to wait till school fix up before school? I don't know. May I ask a question? I don't mind if I could get an answer. Yeah. I don't mind if I could get an answer. But probably the person if you answer me another yes or no. If you give me the right answer. We only could speculate what them have in mind or where them got a problem to do or what. But it's very funny. Yeah, it's very funny. We need to know what really go on with the school as them. Aji, Aji, yeah, thank you for that. So, yeah, thank you for us. You know, give back the last person, the last piece. Yeah, yeah, man. For real. Now, you tell you earlier and said, if this time I ever hit in a Kingston city, trust me, I tell you, trust me, God know, it'll be terrible, terrible. Because Kingston are really developed. A lot of people who live in a Kingston live in a Chaka. Chaka. Some also they are from some also they are from 70 years ago, 80 years ago, 90 years ago, them built. Mm. Yeah, one of them also they are Kingston. You see? Yeah. um, I read some more comments for you, my people. Okay, and yes, Andrew, that's definitely true. We don't know what really, if it's time hit Kingston, what really happen. That'd be terrible, terrible, terrible. Trust me. Yeah. Yes, yes, Alien. Music 24. Hi, Bobby. How are you? Music 24. How are you? Welcome to the live. I am not Bobby, okay? I am Jonah. I am not Bobby, okay? So big up yourself, Music 24. Enough respect. And I noticed that name is the first assignment in my life. Thank you for joining my life. It's a pleasure to have you. Thank you very much. Okay? Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah. Yes, Music 24. Bless up. Thank you very much for joining. Okay? Good night to you. Yeah, man. Young people, so after all these things, okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you, music. Yeah, man, thank you. How is everything? Where are you watching the video from? Which country are you watching from? Music 24. Young people, so this is the whole thing about it. Is the war stopping Ukraine? Is it any more bomb dropping in Ukraine? Or the war stop or it continue? Can let our viewers and listeners know. And where in Ukraine are you? Odessa, Usa, or you done to the point where the war going on? Or you out of the capital going back to the next country? Your name again? Belarus. I don't remember the name of country. Belarus or what one, I don't remember. But how is everything over there now? You hear, you hear what happened in Jamaica with with the hurricane? Music? Or you're in central Ukraine? You understand English good? Oh, that's good, you know? One of the world leading language, you know? For real. Oh, 200 kilometers to Kiev. And no bomb no really drop in a Kiev too much. Yeah. So how is everything over there now at this time? At this time of the morning? How is everything? Is it quiet? The war stop or the war still on? You people life have been in turmoil for us 4 years now straight. Turmoil. Oh gosh. Non-stop bombing. Non-stop killing. The world shouldn't be like this. No man, the world shouldn't be like this. And these are the things where storm, yeah? But no storm is supposed to be so dangerous and powerful and cruel. Typhoon. Look at them typhoon I hit Philippines. Eh? Oh? Look at the killer storm when they talk about it again and killer storm when them say wars goes. They say the war keep on going on, say me. Oh my gosh. I wish you all the best and safeguard and protection to you and your family. Zane, yeah man. Trust me. We know it's hard over there in that country right now. Zane, in Ukraine. You see me? Because bombing and shelling. Thousands of people lose their life. Thousands of people miss. World of kids missing. Yeah man. We follow this war hard through. See, and Jamaica really hard goes out for Ukraine. Yeah, our heart goes out for Ukraine. You know? We don't take no side in the war, but people are dying. And once people are dying, we have to say, stop the killing. Stop the killing. That's what we have to say. That is it. You see? Don't stop now. Okay. Yeah, man. It's very terrible. It's disgusting. And it's, no? Trust me. If you know that people have to really live in like this, people have to be really living like this. Because you, Mr. Powerful Country, you are so powerful and so mightyful. You just feel like you can just use your powers and just destroy your next country. No, it is wrong. Totally wrong. Totally wrong. And you know, really goes out for the war. The country them around go around and say them want war with country and jack bomb in a country and kill innocent people. No, it's not right. That is totally wrong. Trust me. Totally wrong. We need to show love in this world. We need to love people, love one another in this world. We need the people that have money in the world, the big leader, them and the president, them and the so forth and so forth. And the country, them are the rich country them in the world. We don't need to help the poorer country them around the world. Help the people them to have better living, better life and living. You see me? Help the people and the people them can rise up and be something better in this world. The people that live in the USA and live underneath the chain line there so and live on the street in Los Angeles and all them places there. Come on, Mr. Government, to have money instead of spend 5 billion bill a killing machine. Spend it on people life, build up people life, rise up people from out of a dish, give people them better liberty, give them hopes in their life. Why we all have leaders and we leaders them don't care about us. Trust me. All over the world you go, it's the same thing. These leaders just power struggle. They're just grabbing for power. Power, 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 more power, more power. And the people is suffering, dying. And you leaders all you need is just power. Struggle, fighting for power and more richness. Oh my God, man. Trust me. It's not nice. I'm from Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica right now, where the storm it. What you hear about the storm that hit Jamaica? Yeah, man. All my people, what a yarn. Hey, beg one juice, please. Yeah, man. I tell you, man, so my people. Jamaica. Jamaica, Mr. Music. Jamaica. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, man, people. I read my throat a little, you know? Yeah, man. It's a really good still. The cold juice is really good for my throat, but, you know? I have to use at this present moment. Is it? Unless me I get some water, which is better. Water is really better. You know? Yeah, man, Mr. Music, Jamaica, you know? Mash up by Melissa. Yeah, man. Melissa, this time, mash up Jamaica, bad. Good day, good day for you too. Good day for you too. And your friend also. It's a pleasure to have you. You can subscribe to the channel. You can subscribe to the channel. I know you people in Ukraine, what you are going through at this time, but you can still subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Give me a subscribe to the channel. And anybody on the live now that haven't subscribed as yet, please, I'm asking you, please. Can just give me a chance by subscribing to my channel. Wow. 5 o'clock in the morning now. Let me see now, at 9. How much? Wow, so much. Let me see. 10, 11, 12. I lie. That's so much hours ahead. Yeah. Yes, Elaine. Yeah, I got food to eat and thank you for your concern. Okay, yeah, man. I got food to eat. I mean, I get some turn cornmeal and I get some soup peas and rice. Yeah, I get food to eat. Thank you for your concern. You know, God bless you. Thank you very much. Come on, that is it. Okay, you know, they might give me some food for you because them say I depend on the life, so they might give me food. They might give me food. And I say, I even take the juice. I eat the last food, never really drink no juice. So I'm just take the juice now, because I never drink no juice, so I eat the last food. Yes, the people. Yeah, man, so thank you for your concern, Elaine. Yeah, man, that is it. Is it? Is it? That is it. That's what it's all about, you know, have to be our brothers' keepers, our sisters' keepers. Is it? That is it. Show love amongst to each other, you know. Yeah, man. Help and assist out to each other in which way we can. Is it? Yeah, man. So as I say, my people, I'm asking each and every one if you can, if you're really interested in by supporting our fellow brothers and sisters that have been affected in Jamaica, you can reach out to me by my WhatsApp number. Yeah, you can reach out to me by my WhatsApp number and we can talk from there. Okay, my people, we can set our thing from there. So it's a pleasure for really have you all my people all on this live at this present moment. Yeah, really pleasure. I'm not take it for granted. I do not take it for granted because you're gone. It is all of you, my people, precious, precious time. It is your precious time. You get to meet some people. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sorry about that, my people. I look up belch, you know. Sorry about that. Yeah. So, you see the time when I really spend me on this live, my people, a 2 hour, a 2.5 hour, hour and a half or so forth, eh? Whoa, I don't know much. I appreciate it. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, right up to the top of my heart, to the top of my head. I appreciate it with a lot of blessing and praising from the Almighty God to you, my people, for your support. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure. Yeah, it's a pleasure. See, I don't know my channel. I build with the panel. I building with the panel, my people. We are take time. I build with channel. This YouTube channel, we take time building it, and so far, for just because of you, my people, this channel is growing. thank God. This channel is growing. We have now surpassed it was before we come on this live, it was 1,395, I believe. Yes, subscribers. 1,395 subscribers. I know it's supposed to reach about 1,400 and so forth, okay? So, we really appreciate that, my people, for all that support, yeah, that you have been doing to me on this channel, yeah. It really keep it going. And now, my people, you know, the watch hours is very critical, my people. The watch hours is very critical. That is what I need now, my people, to monetize the channel. The watch hours. Yeah. If I can get each person to give me an hour by watching my videos, that's an hour. Each person give me an hour or even more, it will be a pleasure because I need the watch hours for my channel to get monetized. I know, my people, when my channel is monetized, it helped me more to push out more because I have, I call it now, a little assistant can help me to go more places and show you more content. Okay, because that's how we really build our content. We have to go out there and build our content that you people can watch and enjoy and feel comfortable about. You see? Yeah. So, we just surely and purely and kindly need all of you, my people, support in every way that you can. In every way that you can. If you can give me the watch hours by watching my video, right through that I can get the watch hours, I appreciate it. If you subscribe to keep this channel growing, I appreciate it. If you share the live, comments, press the like button, I also appreciate it. Whatever you do on this channel, my people, I always appreciate and I say thank to you all. Thank you all. And I have a next will say, God bless you. Yeah. God bless you. That is it, my people. So, people, thank you, Elaine. Thank you very much. And same to you. Same to you. Have a good night and a wonderful sleep. Until tomorrow. Okay? It's a pleasure to have you on my life. Enough respect and thank you very much for your support. Yeah, man. That is it. Is it? I remember, my people, see the number there? That is my number. That is my WhatsApp number. Anyone need to get in touch with me, please, you can do so. Yeah, get in touch and we can from there. But remember, my people, we just want first for me to go to the anywhere in the parish to do anything right now. It can't be done until when my car is fixed up. So as soon as we fix the car and get the car running, we can start hit the country road them again. See, but for now, we just want the car to fix up the people. Trust me. And if me forget the support from anybody to help me towards buying this engine car, this engine will cost me over 200,000. Well, I will appreciate it. Not care how small it is. I really appreciate it. You see? Yeah, man. I get some more comments reading. All right, Ellen, thank you. That's it. Yeah, that's it, Abby. That's it. That's it, my people. So tomorrow again, you know, so boy, we're on it again tomorrow. You see? Push out the next live for my people them can join in and enjoy themselves. You see? And we shall get as much information we can get to see on the ground that we can pass down to you, my people, what taking place at the present. You see, my people, yeah, what taking place. So it's a pleasure, it's a pleasure, it's a pleasure. Yeah, and a good look. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure, it's a good look. I don't know. A God will say in everything already. Yeah, man, a God will say, man. So we always say God blessing, guide and protect us in everything, every move we make. You see it? Yeah, man. So we just give thanks to the Almighty God. Yeah? For the time that we really can find and the art we give me and this power we might give me to really push go out there to help the people them. I love it. Yeah, man. It is a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yeah, man. Love it. Hi, Miss Dunkley. What's up? What's up, Miss Iris? Welcome to the live. How are you doing? Where you watching from? Where you watching from, Miss Dunkley? I remember to all you my good people on the live now. All you my good loving people on the live now. Please, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so for me. Just support me by subscribing. It will be a pleasure and I will thank you all for it. Thank you very much. Just give me a subscribe and like up the video. Yeah, just keep the channel going. I really appreciate it, my people. See? Yeah. Oh, I thought to have our comments, but no more comments are coming as yet. Yeah. As soon as comments come in, we can interact with the comments and with you, my people. Otherwise, so I don't know. We have to work after what me say and where you say, my people, because that's how it go. You see? You read, me read, you get info, me get info. You share your information, me share my information. And we come together with one information and move along that way. That is it. Is it? Some people, right now, so far, people who give it a closing. We have 8 minutes left for people. 8 minutes to close off the video. I want to say thanks to each and every person that passed through this live. We have a call, so we have 400 call, 2,400 people pass through the live. We really appreciate and we give thanks for all the support, each and every person that comments. We thank you very much for your time that you spare, that you can send a comments. Thank you very much. All the people that subscribe, thank you very much for your time that you are your spare, that you can subscribe to the channel. All the people that share the live and even like the live, we say thank to you. Thank you. Until the next time, my people, will be tomorrow again at 8. We're on tomorrow again at 8, my people. So we say God bless you and thank you. And may God continue to bless all of you, my people, and give you a lots of hopes and energy and longevity towards life. Respect and thank you, my people. Please, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe and like the video. That is it. God bless you all. That is it, my people. So big up to you, Ave. Big up yourself, Ave. Enough respect, is it? Yeah, man. Tomorrow again, my friend. That is it. It's a pleasure to have you at all time, is it? Yeah. We only have 6 minutes left, so the people we only have 6 minutes left to run it out. So please, if you haven't subscribed as yet, can just go and like up the video, subscribe, send in the comments them see me. Run out the 6 minutes. All right, people. Because I'm say we are finish it. We are finish the live now. We are going 2.5. We are making 2.5 hours. So we just give thanks to each and everyone's support. Yeah. Yeah, man. That is it. always enough respect every time, you know? Every time. Always God blessing and God keeping and God loving. Yeah, man, we have to always remember Father God in everything we do. People, remember that. And we're calling up on my Jamaican people. Remember Jamaica. We need to pray. And all of my supporters tonight, please, man, ask them, please, remember Jamaica in your prayers. Always pray for my beautiful island, Jamaica. And when Jamaica mash up, it is my beautiful island, Jamaica, that I love so much. Okay? I love it. I cherish it. I worship it. This is my land. I love it. Okay? Yeah, man. So, thank you, no, thank you, no, thank you, no, my people. Wherever you're from, wherever you are in the world, wherever you're from in the world, we say a warm thanks to you from we, the Jamaican people. We love you all with enough respect, enough love to you. And it's a pleasure to have you at all time to support Jamaica. That is it. At all time, we need your support and we thank you very much for each and every person who have been donating so far to the cause. We thank you very much for it. Okay? Thank you very much. It's a pleasure. So, my people, that is it for the night. Is it? Yeah, man. We're going to call it a shot, and that is it. So, anybody have anything to say before we close off? Anybody have anything to say before we close off? We appreciate it. No problem. As I say, tomorrow night again with people, 8 o'clock. Yeah? Wow. That is it to people. So, my people, give thanks and praise to the Most High, the Almighty God. Have you just walk on? More people are jumping for me. Instead of my people, you know I'm about to my friend that just coming on the live. I'm about to really end the live at this present moment, you know. Trust me. I really appreciate your support by joining my live at this time. But just now, we are run nearly 2.5 hours now we're running this live or so. We decided so it was gone. Get a ending at this time. Yeah man. So we don't know. We still can support the live if you want by subscribe and give the video a like. Although you don't really know what was the video all about still. But you know, you can subscribe and give the video a like. Until tomorrow night again. 8 o'clock you can join the live tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Okay, my friend? Yeah, man. Everyone, please, please. I am going now. It's a pleasure to have you. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, my people. And may God continue to bless you all and show you a lot of love at all time. Yeah, enough love to you, my people. Remember, Jamaica Land 1965 is your channel. Okay? Yeah, man. Enough love, respect. I am out. Enough love, my people. Love you. That is it, the people. That is it. That is it. The live are ending now, people. The live is ending now. Please. The live is ending now. 30 seconds from now. 30 seconds from now, the live is ending, my people. The live is ending. The live is ending, my people. All my people, 20 seconds from now, the live will be ending. Please, please, allow me to end the live, please. Okay? Please allow me to end the live. All right? Thank you very much for your support and thank you for joining. God bless you. Enough love. That is it. Out. I am out, my people. Out.